Hi all, in this video we'll be seeing 5 tips to use the Stickies application on Mac. Okay, the Stickies application is used to create notes, while viewing content on the web or, while listening to online lectures. So, I've created a note here for the subject biology, and hand and legs are the two subtopics here. Now, to make a font bold, select the text, go to font, and click on bold. So there are many other options here, italic, underline, and etc. Now, to make the font size bigger, select the text and hold on to the command key and the plus symbol. This will increase the size of the text. Now to decrease it, hold on to the command key and hit the minus symbol. So this will decrease the size of the text. Now to add a strike through for legs, select the text and go to font. It won't show here. So go to show fonts and click this button here and click on single. You'll see a single strike through. If you want a double strike through, select the text, go to the same place here, click on double. You'll be seeing the change here. Now to add a shadow effect, select the text and here is the shadow effect. So when you click on that, you'll see a mild shadow effect, which you won't be able to see it, but it has a shadow effect over here. I think you can see the difference with hand, and I'll remove the shadow effect and then you'll know the difference. So I've removed it and you can see the difference. Now I'll add it again. Now you can see the shadow effect, right? Now to create a new note, hit command and the letter and key at the same time. You'll get a new note here. Now to change the color of this note, go to the color tab and click on any color you want, purple or even green, anything. So if you use more colors, it will look more attractive, and you would want to see the notes even more and you'll concentrate better. So I hope you found this video useful on Stickies. Thank you.